Good morning, students. Today I will start. It is a new concept. It is a new lesson. That is what air around us. Air around us. See, we can feel air is surrounded by the earth. Yes, and also the all organisms depends on air, and also air is a natural resources. Air is what? Natural resources. Without air we can't imagine living system. Without air we can't imagine a living system. Air is present in your surroundings, but we can't see. But we can't see because air is transparent. Air is what? Transparent. The plants also depends on the air. Human beings also depends on the air. Yes or no? And also air is a biotic thing. Air is what? A biotic thing. It means air is a non-living thing. Air is a non-living things. It means air is a biotic thing. Air is what? A biotic thing. So, in your surroundings, air is there, but we can't see. Why? Because air is transparent. Air is transparent. And also the air, it is in gaseous form. Air is in gaseous form. You know already, solid form, liquid form, gaseous form. Solid form, liquid form, gaseous form. You can see in the solids. See all of you. This is a solid material. Okay. You can see in the solid materials the molecules are closely arranged. They are all closely arranged. Okay, it is a solid phase. Okay, leave it. I am talking about liquids. So this is a liquid things. So liquids are compared with solid loosely arranged. What are molecules? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The molecules are arranged in loosely compared with the solid. Compared with liquid in the gas. See? The molecules are arranged loosely. Molecules are arranged loosely. Understand? In the solid, the molecules are compactly arranged. It means closely arranged. But compared with the solid liquids, in the liquids, the molecules are loosely arranged. The molecules are loosely arranged. Compared with the liquid and the gas, the molecules are freely arranged. Freely arranged. Understand? Understand? So due to these reasons, the weight of the gas is very less compared with liquid, compared with solid. The weight of the air compared with the water, means liquid, or compared with the gas, compared with the solid things and compared with the liquid things, the weight of the air is very less. Understand? Compared with the solids and the liquids, gas weight is very less. Why? Due to the due to the arrangement of the molecules. Understand? Okay, you can see it is the right hand, it is the left hand. Okay, in between the right hand, in between the right hand and left hand, in the mid side, air is there. But we can't see that air. Why? Because that air is transparent. That air is transparent. But we compress that air. Yes. Why? You know the reason. Why? Due to the reasons the molecules are arranged loosely. Understand? So that's why you easily compress that air. Easily compress that air. Okay? Okay. Good. Now start a new lesson. Air around us. Okay? The air occupies the space. The air occupies the space. You know already. Yes or no? And also it is present everywhere around us. It is present everywhere around us. Air occupies a space. Air occupies a space. It is present everywhere around us. Okay? And also air has no color. The air has no color. Okay? But when the dust particles, when unwanted smoke particles are joined in the air, but air has no color. Air has no color. So that's why we can't see directly air in the atmosphere, in the earth's surface. We can't see directly what? Air. Yes or no? Okay. Air has no color, and also it is transparent. It is transparent. Air is transparent. So that's why I already told you. It is the right hand, it is the left hand. And in between these hands, air is present, but we can't see. Why? This character. This is a transparent characters. Understand? Okay. Air is made up of gases. It is the main point. Air is made up of gases. Air is made up of gases. Many gases. What are those? Next class we see. Okay. Next, our Earth is surrounded by a thin layer of the air. Our Earth is surrounded by a thin layer of the air. A thin layer of the air which is surrounded the Earth. Listen to me. Our Earth, below of Earth, yes or no? Our Earth is surrounded by the thin layer of the air. Thin layer of the air. Okay. This layer extend up to many kilometers above the surface of the Earth. I already told what? Our Earth is surrounded by the thin layer of the air. Thin layer of the air. Okay, that is one point. Next point what? This layer extends up to many kilometers. These layers extend up to many kilometers above the surface of the Earth. Above the surface of the Earth. Listen to me. Our Earth is surrounded by up to many kilometers, up to many kilometers above the surface of the earth, kilometers above the surface of the earth, and is called atmosphere, and is called atmosphere. It is very important question. It is what? Very important question. Okay? Note it. One more time, see. Our earth is surrounded by a thin layer of the air. This layer extends many kilometers. This layer extends many kilometers above the surface of the earth and is called atmosphere. And it is called atmosphere. Okay. Next one. In the exam time, it is very important question, sir. What is atmosphere? Define atmosphere. Okay. 11. Has we moved higher in the atmosphere? Has we moved higher in the atmosphere? At that time, the air gets rarer. The air gets rarer. Listen to me one more time. It is very important, right? As we move higher in the atmosphere, the air gets rarer. The air gets rarer. So that reason, the mountains carry the oxygen cylinders. Carry the oxygen cylinders with them while climbing high mountains. While climbing high mountains, why? Because when you go the highest of the atmosphere, the air gets rarer. The air gets rarer. Compare with the Earth's surface, when you go the high through the atmosphere, the gases, it means the air is very less portion. Where is it is present in very less portion. So that's why. So that reason the mountain carry the oxygen cylinders. Carries the oxygen cylinders with them while climbing high mountains. While climbing high mountains. Okay? As we move higher in the atmosphere, the air gets rarer. The air gets rarer. So that is the mountain carries the oxygen cylinders with them while climbing the high mountains. While climbing the high mountains. Okay? So, until the 18th century, the peoples thought that air was just a substance. Air was just one substance. In the in the 18th century, the peoples thought that air was just a substance. Air was just one. Okay. See, the 18th century people thought that air was just one substance. People thought that air was just one substance. But the experiments have proved are really not so. Air is a mixture of many gases. Air is a mixture of many gases. What are those? The major component of the mixtures: water vapors, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and the dust and the smokes. Listen to me one more time. Water vapors. First one what? Water vapors. And second one, oxygen. You know already about the oxygens. Yes, sir. And also third one, nitrogen. Third one what? Nitrogen. And the next one, fourth one, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. And the fifth one, dust and smoke. Dust and smoke. See, in the 8th century, the people thought air was just one substance. But the experiments have proved that is really not so. Air is a mixture of many gases. It is a mixture of many gases. Okay. See, what are the major components in the mixtures? One is already water vapors, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and dust and the smokes. First of all, we discuss about water vapors. Water vapors. Listen to me. Air contains water vapors. Air contains water vapors. Also, when air comes in contact with a cool surface, when the air comes in contact with the cool surface, it condenses and drops of water appears on the cooled surface. Appears on the cooled surface. In presence of vapors in the air is important for water cycling in nature. It is a very important role in the water cycle. In the water cycle. Listen to me. In the presence of vapors. In the presence of the water vapors. In the air is an important for the water cycle in nature. Water cycle in nature. You can see the next one that is very important. What is that? Oxygen. Is that oxygen? You know already the oxygen is a very, very important gas in the living system. Yes or no? You can see the plants, animals, all type of the living things depends on that oxygen. Yes, sir. You can take examples of the animals, human beings, birds, and all type of the living things depends on oxygen. Even those plants also depends on the oxygen. For the preparation of the food, you know already. Yes, sir. So these type will be oxygen is a very important process. Okay. I'll show one experiment. Okay. Now in front of you two candles are there. Okay. In front of you two candles are there. And one glass is there. See, oxygen. See, picks two candles of the same length on a table. Picks two candles of the same length on a table. Light both candles. It is one activity. It is one activity has a practical type. Okay, it is a practical type. See, I fix two candles of the same length, on a table. You can see in front of you two candles are there. Okay, light both candles. Light them both candles. Okay, like that, both candles. Cover one of the candles with an inverted glass. With an inverted glass, tumbler, observe the both candles carefully. In front of you, two candles are there. Yes or no? So, cover one of the candles with an inverted glass. With the candles, observe the both candles carefully. Same, the candles covered with the glass tumblers got extinguished after some time, whereas other candles will be burning. Okay, listen to me. Both candles are same in size. Yes or no? See. Observe one more time. See. What is it? One more time. I can use this side, this kind. Okay. Observe it. This time, this candle. See. Beginning only. One more time. The two candles glow. Yes or no? With the help of the oxygen. With the help of the oxygen. Without oxygen, you can't see the fire. You can't see the fire. Understand? See. Because inside the number of the oxygen is very less or nil or not there. So that's why the candles are off. See one more time. You can see in the surroundings, air is there. You can see in the surroundings, air is there. In the air, oxygen is there. Yes or no? That oxygen is helps to catch a fire. But otherwise, when I covered with the glass, see, got it? One more time. So oxygen is there. So inside oxygen is there, very less portion. So Anna, see, understand that? Okay. Fix two candles of the same length on a table. Light both candles. Cover one candles with an inverted glass tumblers. Observe the both candles carefully. Afterwards, the candles covered with the glass tumbler got extinguished. And also after some times, whereas other candles continue to be burn. Other candles continue to burn. Yes or no? You can see the two candles are there. When I cover with the help of the glass in this candle, that time these candles are off, but these candles are continuously burn. See? Got it? It seems that the candle got extinguished because the component inside of the glass tumblers, which is a support to burning. Especially when compound is there. What is there? You know, I already told. So that is helps to burning. That is helps to burning is limited. Is a limited. Most of the components is used up by the burning of the candles. It is used more of the numbers of the candle, more numbers of the components in the outside, but in the inside there very less numbers of components are there. Yes or no? So that's why the candles are off. See, in the environment, in the outside, the more number of components are there, especially oxygen is there. By using that component, using the oxygen, the candles will be burning. Otherwise, when I close this candle with the help of this glass, that time the less number of components burn in a small portion. Afterwards, it will be off. See. Understand? So this type will be continued. Yes or no? Not only this candle also. See, observe this. Yes or no? So it seems the candles got extinguished because the component inside of the glass. The component inside of the glass is a tumbler, which is a support to burning, is limited. Is it limited? Limitedly, so candles will be burned. But in the open candles, it continuously burn. As most of the components is used by the burning of the candles, and also the other candles getting continuously supplied air, especially in oxygen, especially components. The other candles getting continuous supply of air. This component of air which is support to burning is known as oxygen. What is that component? It is oxygen. The oxygen which is present in our surroundings, it is helps to the burning. Yes or no? When I close the candle with the help of this glass, the time the less number of components, the less number of the oxygen present in the glass. So that's why the candles burn in the small portion, in the small time, in the small duration. Yes or no? See. Yes or no? But this candle continuously burn. Why? You know the reason? Because it is present in openly. Yes or no? So that's why you can see in our open environment. What is it? There is a oxygen is there. So that's why the oxygen just helps to the candles burning. So the other candles is getting a contained supply of air. These components of air which is support to burning, that is known as what? Oxygen. That is known as what? Oxygen. In our environment, the 21% of oxygen is present in our earth surface. How much? 21% of oxygen present in our environment. Okay? I'll continue in next class. Thank you.